I am on keys to set up today the Insta5 with this little thing, which is amazing. Just gotta plug this one wire in here with a splitter, so one goes into my in-ears and then one goes directly here, and the results is amazing. Look at that. It's amazing. This thing, get this. Volume color today.
What about success? Yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6. Sampai intro Michael. Michael, you 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go for it here. Any more guitar one? I'm going down after this. Bridge one and 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now home, I just got this brand new cube street from Roland. You can see here they've got some nice setup. So you've got, you know, the mic plug in, and this is portable. It's super light, smaller than the one that I have, and it sounds so much better. You have different settings as well. So obviously piano for me, and you can like make it clean and like delay. It's really good. It's also Bluetooth available, and it's charged by USB-C. You've got this like little kickstand there, and now it's like that. Really cool setup. I'm just gonna set it up properly, but I'll just give a quick tone of how it sounds. Very clear, much better than the old one. So let me just play some organs here. Let's try. Sounds really good. So I recommend this. This is about $258, but I hope it's worth it. It's very versatile, and it does sound better than that like a billion times. So let me just show you what the previous one sounded like. And it's powered, so you gotta like turn this on. So you can hear like there's like some distortion. Not as clear, so it's a bass amp, so obviously, but it's not sponsored. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and see you in the next vlog.